Hey there. Okay, so this is just a quick explanation of the elimination method to solve this problem. So what I've done is from the problem we know that we're looking for the numbers of hours the car drove and the number of hours the chopper drove or flew. So X I have here representing the car and Y representing the chopper. So in the question, we know that the car drove at 30 like they drove at a speed of 30, but we don't know how many hours it drove. But we do know that if we add the chopper, how many hours they drove at the speed, which was 60, it's going to equal 150. So that was one of the equations we were able to figure out. Then we also know that the total number of hours that they drove together was 3. So that means that X plus Y would equal 3. So those are our two equations. So when we use the elimination, we want to get rid of one of the variables. So I'm going to just take, because each of these look like they're multiples of 30. So that's going to work out really nicely for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply my second equation by 30. So this one will be by 30, 1 by 30, and then 3 multiplied by 30 will be 90. So in this case then, all I'm going to do for elimination is I'm going to subtract. So here, if I subtract all the x's, so 30x minus 30x, that's just going to wipe it out. So here, it becomes now 60 minus 30, so that would make 30y. And then we have 150 minus 90, and that would be 60. So therefore, our y equals 2. So then we could just plug it back into our equation, and we'll take, in this case, if we just take our x plus our y equals 3, and we know that x plus y equals 2, so therefore x would equal 1. And then we can plug that, then we can use that to solve our question. How, if the car is driving 1 hour, that's 30, he's going at a speed of 30, I think it was miles in 1 hour. So then that's then we can use that to solve the rest of the question. So you'll see on the lesson below. All right, great. So hopefully that helps.